Get WhatsApp on your PC without Microsoft Store. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC without using the Microsoft Store. So, if you've been struggling to get it installed or your store isn't working, this is the perfect solution for you. First, open your web browser and search for WhatsApp for PC. From the results, look for the one from up to down. It's usually the first or second option in the list. Once you're on the page, you'll notice the latest version listed. At the moment, that's version 2.225.39.2.0. Now scroll down a little until you see the green download button. Click on it to start downloading the setup file. It's a small download, so it won't take long. Perfect. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the setup file. Double-click to open it and follow the on-screen instructions to begin installation. The setup process is quick and straightforward. In just a few clicks, WhatsApp will be installed on your PC. After installation, go ahead and launch the app. Click on Get Started, and you'll see a QR code displayed on your screen. Now, take your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, and tap on Link Devices. Use your phone to scan the QR code that's showing on your computer screen. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is now linked to your PC. You can chat, send and receive media, and enjoy all your conversations right from your computer. No Microsoft Store needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.